Tuko. Wait lang. Edit. Slide. Punta na lang natin si Aling Uling. Baka makatulong yun sa atin. Aling Uling.
What the
Tulungan niyo kami.
What do you mean, friend? You're my cousin. Same thing. Not the same thing. Friends don't have the same DNA. How do you know that?
Uy, Aling Uling. Kami yun.
In the name of science.
Buwanan tayo kita.
Fine, I will read it after this video.
Grabe ka naman, Ed.
Promise, we promise.
Kaya talaga, kahit saan kayo ilakay, ang kukulit niya, ba't sa kayo kita?
Hindi na nga po. Dito po kami. Gusto po namin magpatulong.
Bahala kayo sa buhay niya.
Yeah.
Hindi,
Sa aling ulit, kasi kung hindi na magandang section ito
hindi. Bigyan mo ng bulaklak. Ito ba?
You really thought that could scare me? Little game?
Sa kanya. Siya.
Ayaw ko na si Gigi. Isang ko yan. What's happening? Ignore that cry. Ayan. Pindot na ito. Ayan. Aray ko po. Ayan.
Michelle, kaya mo si kuya mo.
Oh. Kind of makes me laugh.
Hindi kayo magbigayan.
Okay, this is little pizzas, but this is not scaring me. Ow! What's your name, guys? Leafy green. Leafy green? Leafy what? Leafy green. Bro. How was I supposed to see that? Sir. Wait, you forgot the literal like leaf. The leaf. I have a green leaf when I put in that name. No, not that. Hindi yung dadana. Sinasabi niya ano, search ko, video, ni Jai. Balimutan ka. Mata. Ito, tama. Bro, I am so confused. Why do I keep on going the wrong way? Bro, I'm getting so confused. Where do I go? Sophie, at the first, I'm finding out what these royals are about. I'm getting so confused. Where am I supposed to go? Okay, I totally missed the cave. I thought it was like somewhere else. Okay, why is there code here? How am I supposed to keep on going? How the heck am I supposed to keep on going? Bro, I can't go. Bro. This is the end of part of this obby. Just wait for part 2. I'll try to find the code later or maybe after a week.